Here with another mess of, oh, it's all over. Sliding in here again with another mukbang and a recipe for you guys. So today we are, well, first we're gonna say grace and then get it in. Well, I'm gonna say grace and then I'm going to tell you guys what we're having. Thank you for the food they're about to receive. For nothing but happy body, and scratch them, I pray. Pray for those who don't have, and those who are sick and need, and also pray for everybody with breast cancer awareness month. And just never pray. Amen. Sorry, my prayer was a little shaky. I'm used to having my third wheel here, and she usually prays. You know, it's difficult sometimes praying at last. I be confused with what to say here. But anyway, here. So today, I am trying for the first time. It's kind of old, but everybody been talking about it for the longest. And I seen another channel do something similar to this tip, y'all. So I'm gonna try this. It's a hamburger donut, but we have triple cheeseburgers here. Everything I made here, I will post all the recipes on my channel. Potatoes I made as well. And what we gonna eat, I'm gonna conversate for a little bit. Good potatoes. Oh, not to forget, over here we have our friend, a lovely sweet potato cake that I made. From scratch as well, y'all. So let's get a thumbnail here. Pick this thing up. One of those will work. Okay. It's sweet, it's savory, it's saucy. Y'all, it's not bad. It's not something I would really recommend eating on the day because this is like hardcore on wheels. So how is the leftover family doing? I'm doing wonderful. It's been a while. It's been a while since I did actual mukbang. So today I decided I'm gonna do a mukbang. Y'all, I never thought I would be eating this. Never. If you had told me I was young when I first seen this, that I was gonna be eating this, I would have said, child, you lying. But you know what? I'm here to say, this is pretty good. This is something you can eat on one of those days when you cheat on your diet. It's a real cheat. I'm so hungry, y'all. I ain't breakfast this morning because I knew I was gonna be eating this. I'm like, when I write this will be my all-day meal. No playing no games. I can't afford to get all these extra calories and eat breakfast. Can't do it. And that's on period. For those who have not tried it and are kind of leery on it, I say do it. You only live once. Because if you don't like it, you don't have to eat it ever again. But if you do like it, and you'll never have it, you'll never know. You missed out on that. Live a little bit, y'all. I just feel like onions. I smell onions. I feel like. I don't say it. I just feel like the onions. There's not enough onions on it for me. I don't know, because with the sweetness of the donut, it overpowers a lot of it. So you gotta put like extra. So we're gonna put a few onions on the side here. You know what? Let's be good on this. Jalapeno pepper. Ooh, excuse me. That would be really bomb. Halloween's approaching. Might have special plans for Halloween. Have some people don't celebrate Halloween. But, I'm just curious what y'all do over Halloween. It's another day for me. I'm too old to go trick-or-treating, get free candy. I'm too old for that. And with this coronavirus, child, I ain't trying to be out nowhere. But I'm interested to see how that's going to work this year with the coronavirus, and if things are still going to be the same. People still be going door to door getting candy, because you think about it, the candy could carry coronavirus on the packages. So if you're a parent and you don't go, let me know in the comment section below who's taking their kids to go trick or treating and who's not. That's how that works. So I know I've had a couple people in the comments because I forget to put a temperature and how long I bake my sweets for. But I'm gonna start getting better about posting that in the description box or in the video itself. It don't get no fatter than this. This is fat as fattest. Hell yeah. I'm just gonna get on fatter. The first person I ever see eat this, Paul D. My girl. You already know. She cares less about the little thing. She eats all these sweets and a pound of butter a week. But I love her cooking. Trying to get Mama leftovers to help me really taste this. But I don't know if she's gonna try it because she's on her diet, y'all. And this right here will kill any diet you try. That's all I gotta say. Oh! I got a video on Monday? Sunday. Just waiting to post. It post at 11 a.m. I want y'all to go check that video out. It's a recipe on how to make homemade noodles from scratch. Homemade, y'all, homemade. So I want y'all to go check that out, try it out, and let me know what you think, because how I figure is, it's not hard, it's easy, it's just time consuming, but at least you know what is going into the food that you're eating. So my goal in life is to be able to make anything from scratch. I've got cakes down pat. I've got doughs down pat. Noodles down pat. I wonder if you can make rice. No. From scratch. Or this one you have to roll. I don't know. I wonder if you can make rice from scratch. I don't know how you can make rice. Stupid question, y'all. Ooh, I'm getting full. With the bacon on it. It's delicious. Now I said, remember this cake, y'all. I'm gonna try a piece of it. Not big, just a little piece. Yeah. I'm through with that. Oh, I did it. You had a hamburger or donut. I don't know what that would be called, but I'm sure the name for it. Look at that cake. Look at that. Look at that. This is a sweet potato cake. So basically I used leftover pie filling I had before I made sweet potato pie over there. With flour and stuff to it. That is good. But I've never heard about if it person making a sweet potato cake. Oh, amazing. Oh yeah. And the icing, of course, y'all know I made it. I put heavy cream. Actually, go check out. The link will be in the description box for each and every last one of these recipes. Y'all go check it out. Let me know what y'all think about it. That's really good. And it's not too heavy. It's not like a dense cake, but it's not like a light cake either. It's very moist. She's giving me Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, sweet potato. Cream cheese flavor. And she gives me so much life. Y'all. You have to try this cake. This month is also breast cancer awareness. My ribbon down below. It's my ribbon. We're supporting that as well. If you know anybody who has suffered from breast cancer or that have lost their lives due to breast cancers, please put a pink ribbon or pink hearts in the comments below. Excuse me. Yeah, I think I need a nap. That's just really good, though. I'm gonna say thank you to all my subscribers. If you have not subscribed, I still don't know why. Please make sure you hit the subscribe, like, and share this with anyone and everyone. And again, I'm sliding on out. I'm falling again.